Are you tired of spending money on expensive creams? What if I told you most of them contain harmful ingredients? Today, we're diving into the number one food for aging skin. Spoiler alert, it's not collagen. Many people rely on facial creams for skin health. These creams often contain plastics and chemicals. Some even have collagen, but topical collagen doesn't absorb into the skin. Instead, harmful chemicals enter the bloodstream. These toxins can accumulate in the liver, aging your skin faster. Another mistake is over-cleansing. Scrubbing too hard damages your skin's protective layer. Gentle exfoliation is key. Remember, beneficial microbes need to remain on your skin. Don't forget about your water. Shower water is often filled with fluoride and chlorine. Installing a shower filter removes these toxins and protects your skin. If you're on statins, know that they block essential cholesterol. Cholesterol helps maintain skin health. Now, you might think the FDA tests cosmetics. In reality, they rely on the industry's honesty. The FDA bans only 30 chemicals compared to 1,600 in the EU. Now let's reveal this amazing food. Can you guess it? It's grass-fed liver. Liver is packed with vitamin A, crucial for skin health. It builds connective tissue, boosting your immune system too. Next, liver contains copper, which maintains skin elasticity. Don't forget zinc, vital for skin healing, and iron for circulation. One serving of liver has more anti-aging nutrients than many $80 creams. But some people dislike liver, and I understand. It can make you feel tired. This might stem from previous liver damage. When the liver struggles, it reacts to dietary liver. This immune response can increase histamines, making you feel fatigued. I found a solution. Take grass-fed liver supplements before bed. This helps me sleep and avoids daytime fatigue. If you struggle with the taste of liver, try soaking it in lemon juice. Spices and onions can enhance its flavor as well. Blending liver into other meats works wonders too. You can also enjoy it as liver pate or take liver pills. Consuming liver is a game changer for your skin. It's like a natural multivitamin mineral powerhouse. Taking collagen? Remember, your body needs cofactors to turn it into skin. A poor diet can also harm your skin. Junk food, sugar, and seed oils are not allies. I observed that people on low-fat diets often had dry skin. While they might lose weight, their appearance suffers. Quality ingredients matter. Start incorporating liver into your diet. Witness the transformation in your skin and overall health. Thank you for watching. For more tips, subscribe and stay connected. See you next time.